Brandon here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our carbon fiber-like replacement hood for the Can-Am Ryker. The Can-Am Ryker is screaming for some carbon fiber to pair up with its sinister black satin body panels. Well, today we're happy to introduce our replacement hood for the Can-Am Ryker. This hood is constructed from a durable ABS plastic and features a carbon fiber-like pattern that looks super custom once installed and is a direct replacement to the OE hood, making installation a breeze. Now, once you install your new hood, you're gonna need a new emblem to fill in this space here, which is why we also offer both our R Series and Y Series emblem sets. These emblems are available in dozens of color options and are sold as a set of 3, so not only do you get an emblem for your new hood, but you also get matching emblems for both the rear fender and gauge cluster so you can maintain a uniform look throughout the bike. So if upgrading your factory hood to our carbon fiber pattern hood with optional emblems is on your mod list, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab a new hood and emblems for your Ryker. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Ryker. I'm Brandon, signing out. Until next time.